Service or actual bad. Also, since it's February, y'all have like here's one discount.
So these are all the. Oh yeah, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna try to see it. Boom. Hey, what's it? So yeah, guys, we have a problem. Yeah. Battery low, start vehicle. How can I start if my battery's low? Service for axle, battery saver. Y'all see these? Battery charging system. So, either my car is broke or the battery's just dying. So, yeah, y'all know the vibes, man. This Smoovelifer, how we are back with the video, guys. We are back with. I don't know if this is a banger because my car is broke, but on a nice chilly day like this, we supposed to get in the race video today, but apparently my car was not trying to do this. So, yeah, my nose is running too. Bro. Hopefully, it's just the battery. How much Smoovelifer has been doing today so far, though? Yeah, my day's kind of starting off pretty bad because the car was fine last night, and now it's saying that the battery's dying. Service battery system, rear axle, stability track, battery saving, and all that extra stuff. So, yeah, let's see what this is. I'm gonna go buy we're gonna try the first thing. We're gonna go try and buy a battery for the car first, and then if it's still acting up, I'm gonna take it to the dealership or take it to my friends. So. And we are at the great Advanced Auto Parts, you feel me? So we're going to see if I can give me a little quick battery out of here and see if I can install it and see if it fixes my problem with my car. So let's see. Let's see. And also, since it's February, y'all have like here's one discount. I'm joking, I'm joking. It's the last day of February too. We almost out of here.
Alright, let me go grab it.
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. She laughed that off pretty good. Let's reading this battery, you guys. Right there. Things I do for you guys. Full day of racing yesterday. And we have this heavy ass battery. It was not that heavy, I'm gassing, but still got some weight to it. Let's put it over here. Golly. So, yep. I guess we're changing the battery today. This shit better fix my car, man. I don't want to wait. I just wasted. Hopefully, I don't waste. That was like $300 basically.
Kill a bitch if he talk blank. I'm gonna wreck the shit on back. This was ever running like a fucking running back.
Okay, so we have our new battery, and we have our trunk already open. You feel me? I already got the right fitting already. I already popped all this out. So yeah. The only part that annoys me changing these batteries is having to take off all these brackets. That junk is so annoying, but yeah, we're gonna get right to it. All right, so we got this bracket off. The bracket that holds the battery down in place, so yeah. We're slowly inching there, so let me finish this battery stuff and we'll see if that works. Okay, we got that old gunky dirty battery out. I wonder, made in Germany. Is this the one? Is this the OEM battery, you guys? Let me know in the comments if this is the OEM battery. Listen, man, ratchet. I have a ratchet, but I don't have like the wrenches that ratchet. I need to buy those. Oh my god, that would be so much better. But okay, let's install the new battery. Like that, we have the new battery in. Let's start the car up and see how it does. It's gonna be loud regardless, but first, let's push this button. Let's push the, okay. Service battery charging system. I'm gonna drive around, give it some time, see if it goes away.
turn it off. I don't know why that battery thing keeps popping up. But we're gonna put this shit back. I guess we're gonna take it to the dealership. See what they say. It might go away after a while I'm driving around, but we will see. We will see. Okay, so yeah, see you guys on the road. See, alright, we just dropped off the battery. Got what? Your boy rich, man. We got some money. What we got back? Dang, we got $23.54 back. Heck yeah, boy. Shit. I was about to say a little lunch on me, but $23, nigga.
Lunch on you?
Nah, lunch on you. Lunch on you. You gonna take me out. No, we better head to the dealership now and see if they can like just look at it. One of the managers there. Cool, I'm cool with him, so let's see. I'm just taking it up there just because I just want to stop by, see the dealership and stuff like that. But yeah, we're gonna take it there, see if there's any problems with the car or anything like that. But yeah, for sure, I see you on the road. Y'all see that? Y'all keep popping up and going away. I don't know if that's because the battery or the battery charging system, or is it because my tires I got on here? Because they're bigger than the stock size, but that's one of the ones that kept constantly popping up, other than like service charging battery system or battery in safe mode, something like that. So yeah. It was tweaking earlier, like it was not. It was
because the rear wheel speed's different than the fronts.
But it was like saying like service battery charging system, and battery safe mode.
You got a new battery in it?
Yeah, I just put one in like 20 minutes ago.
How's it?
So how you doing, man?
Good. Vince.
Taro. Yeah. You like it though?
Yeah, I like the ride.
Yeah, man. I was gonna be pissed. The car ain't gave me trouble since I bought it. I bought it like last April. I don't know what's going on.
Pull it on the drive.
Yeah.
So where those 3 doors are, pull on there. We'll do dongle read on it real quick.
Yeah. You can drive if you want to.
Oh, I'm good.
Yeah, I want to see it roll. I never get to see how it's like. You sure you don't want? You can drive it in.
Oh, you're good.
Bro, y'all. Yeah, like it's a
It's a Camaro.
Yeah.
That's gonna make me sad.
What you mean? You got the twin turbo joint.
Yep.
You know it's crazy. You know I came by here because my friend has a white 50. He came. He did not want to drive it. You have to get out.
You're annoying.
Why? You hear what I said? Is it good right here when we pull it up more? Alright. Turn it off or off? Oh, yeah.
Yep. You want to throw this in your OBD?
Yep, got you.
And leave the ignition on.
Sure. I plug this in first if I can. Man. There we go.
So we leave the ignition on. We can see what codes are in it. And then I can tell you if it's a wheel speed sensor going out.
Okay. Bro, this. Let me get out. I'm trying to get some footage for today.
Yeah.
Trying to get some for the vlog.
I know how that is.
Yeah.
What's this make?
Like 610. Never really done to it. Yeah, nah, that's slow compared to people like that. That's pretty slow. Yeah. But it's not really done to it.
It's alright.
I'm looking to port the blower and do some other stuff with it. I try to get it like 700 without camming it. I really want a C7 Z06, but the price is just skyrocketing.
It's insane.
I've been telling all my friends at dealerships, if y'all ever get one in like the lower 60 range, let me know. Let me know. I will buy it.
This one a wrap or?
Yeah, it's a wrap, yeah.
Looks sick,
I
dude.
appreciate it, man. It's real dirty.
Nice. A little bit.
Yeah.
It is pretty nice.
I take it racing Sunday, and the guy in the big turbo Civic, he's spitting oil on the highway, so it's like oil on the car too.
Yeah. Is it a turbo Civic?
Yeah.
Laptop?
Hmm?
Laptop cam?
Yeah, laptop. Yeah. I mean, you see my tail light still, but big laptop. He actually has a C706 also.
Oh, yeah. Next roll race.
You got to,
Got
yeah.
the wife's scat pack out there.
Ooh. I ain't gonna say nothing. You said your wife, so I ain't gonna. No. Uh-oh.
So this is everything that's on your car. Codes. All these are low voltage, all history. So valid data from steering, position sensor that passed and failed. So that one will go away. That's straight in the traction control light. You have, this is all battery. So this is what happens when you get a low battery. You get all of these fault codes.
So you think like me driving around, it'll probably like be a recharge. Hopefully, because it was saying charged battery system. I ain't never, my last car, I
Go
didn't say
get
that.
one of the techs that has a little code reader. Oh, go to Jessica, get a code reader.
I don't feel like spending money on stuff like this.
And you're not getting any input from wheel speed sensor, not wheel speed sensor, tire pressure sensor.
But does it say which one, or it just says all of them in general?
It just says tire pressure. Does not say which one.
Dang. See, I told y'all my car was broke. They didn't believe me. So these are all the...
Yep, these are all symptom descriptions.
Dang. Just sell it. No, I'm joking.
Dude, I already walked in there. Everyone in sales like, hey, is he going to sell that? No.
Nah. I only had it for not even a year yet.
Yeah.
I give it like 2 years.
He hasn't got gapped by me yet, so he can't.
Oh, nah. See, look, I'm not gonna race you. I'm gonna just call somebody else. Say, hey, man, can you so I can get? I'm gonna send the passenger seat and record it.
That's fine.
You're not. No.
That's fine.
You know, it's crazy when I first bought it when it was like completely stock. I lost so many races. I wasn't pissed, but I was like, dang, I bought my dream car.
So you got headers?
It's just a cat delete. Actually, I'm waiting for my header to come in now. Cause I did it last season because I was losing too much. So I was like, let me just
You're
push
going
it.
to actually pick up a decent amount of horsepower with the headers. Like mine, I think I picked up. So I went from 370 when my car was bone stock, cam, headers, intake, and I went to 505.
Yeah. That big boost in that, big twin snails. I mean, make again.
Just
What estimate? How much power does it make? You don't gotta give me the exact number.
not the 4 digits.
What about torque? That's really what about kicking tires like that.
Last one we did was like 950.
God, I gotta ride in your car too. Y'all get all y'all on the channel. Actually, speaking of RS, I'm trying to race Jordan when he comes back. Jordan Jackson when he comes back from Florida.
Yeah.
Got with all the orange cars.
Nice little Lambo.
Huh?
Nice little Lambo.
No, I don't want the Lambo. I think it's turned up like almost all the way. Wasn't it like 1,700 now, something like that? Yeah, that's when I'm racing the blue one. Before he turned into a fighter jet like the rest of his cars.
Wipes.
Okay, let's get back on you. Yeah, why you saying your wife's with? I know it.
You go to
Yeah.
Latvia.
I used to have a yellow SS.
Okay.
You know, I used to, because I'm always with Anthony. I'm always at Anthony's house. You know Anthony. I know you know Anthony. Man. That's how I can. Yeah. So is yours the one that sounds like the fighter jet, or is that was yours red?
So it was red, and then I do all.
Oh, so yours is the crazy one then. Yeah. Oh, you gotta get on the channel then. I gotta get it right along. Oh my God. Yeah.
God damn.
So,
Yep.
you're all clear?
So should I be worried about any of these, or
No, every single one of those is just because of low voltage. You're good.
Oh dang. I guess I'm just a pussy then. I was sitting here worried about my car.
No?
Here you go. Here you go. Ready?
Oh yeah, hold on.
See?
Hold on, I'm gonna try to see it.
Boom.
Hey, what was that? What is that? Edward Chevrolet, man. Show me some love. I guess I got some place to bring my car whenever it's fucking up. I don't worry about nobody hit me upside the head.
Bitch, if he's all play, I'm a fucking shit. Bitches have running like a fucking running back.
Whenever you run into Rizzo, all he's gonna tell you is he makes enough.
So, like, don't set me up for no, like,
No.
like, cause I'll race from 600 to 700, but if it's like a little bit higher than that, I was like, there's no point sometimes. Cause the car.
Let's see, last one was what?
Yeah, between 600 and 700 wheel.
49, I think is what he made before we put a new motor in it.
CT. How heavy are those though?
They're about 52, 55.
No way they're 5,000.
Oh, they're
Hey
heavy.
man, you subscribe to me. Hey. But these are heavy too, kinda though. They're 3,900 pounds without me in it. They give y'all a heads up. This is really loud. Alright, kill this one.
Is it still recording?
Yes. Sorry, love.
Wait, you can't go that way? You reversing or what way you going?
I'm going straighter. Just pull up to it.
If you pull forward, that door's automatic.
Okay, appreciate it. You gotta hold it like I'll see y'all later. That's funny.
Damn,
It's
they
speeding.
came in hot.
So yeah, this is a lot of stuff that they said is all just from low battery voltage stuff. That's why my dashboard was just going crazy. But I'm about to head to the next dealership and see what my other boy doing type shit.
It's a stop sign, my guy. I haven't had Long John Silver's in forever. I bought me when I was a kid. Little Crispies. Ooh.
Thank you. You have a good day. She didn't say my pleasure. Where the fuck is my cookie?
I don't know where that you heard that from.
She didn't say my pleasure. It's a free cookie.
Terrell, I used to work at Chick-fil-A. That is not a damn thing.
I can work at Chick-fil-A. So after leaving the dealership, you feel me, got the codes looked at. You know we had big Chick-fil-A. The big chickest fillet you can find, my boy. Chickest fillet.
I'ma kill a bitch if he talk flat. I'ma wreck his shit on back. Let's use that one running like a fucking running back.
Damn, so your boy made it home finally. Yeah, we still got a Christmas tree up. What you gonna do about it? Yeah, what y'all gonna do about it? But
Yeah. Come here, baby.
so the car had a whole bunch of codes for the battery, I guess, being almost completely dead. I guess I don't know. That's what they hooked up the machine and all that stuff. My guys, my boy Steven at his dealership. Cool guys, man. I'm glad I went up there, had a good time. But yeah, it kept on service stability track on the way home the whole time though, and rear axle popped up one time, but no battery charging, and also my screen went blank. My speedometer went blank for a couple like 30 seconds, but it came back. So yeah, man. So we kind of got the car kind of a little bit better. I feel like it's nothing mechanical, so like either electrical, or electrical stuff. I don't think it's anything pretty bad to where like I have to like get a new engine or an oil pump or. Knock on wood, don't jinx myself. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Hopefully you guys became a smooth lifer from this video. Hit that sub button, join the Smooth Life gang. And if you watch the video all the way to the end, man, just drop a smooth in the comments. If you watch the video from the start to finish, drop a smooth in the comments. Let me know who my Smooth Lifer gang is for real, man. We gotta start upping it. But y'all know the vibes. Smooth Life Tie is out.